going for it.
Getting some racecraft in. They're putting in some hard charges. It's been fun to watch.
Going for it.
Getting some racecraft in. They're putting in some hard charges. It's been fun to watch. I think that was that KTM sweeping the outside for the Holt Stasic hole shot, and then we got a big.
Not that many dudes in here, but there's a lot of fast kids in here, though.
14 entries on the sheet. Oh, looks like we got our race leader, I think, went.
Yeah, everyone else, thank you.
Why is it when I ride a Yamaha too, dude, I get that. I'm watching this thing live, shakedown, he just shot me a text. Poppy, how are you, my friend? But look at the B-Ray right here. This is what he told. Oh, B-Ray just tucks the front end.
Who's taking what? There we go, Hymus.
Power. Look at Hymus going for triple skim. Looking good, my friend. So Hymus on that fly racing gear.
Compared to motocross.
Since we're running 3 rounds basically per city, I think that dirt's going to get harder. It may be soft for them round 1 and hard pack round 3 at each of these cities as these tracks just kind of get reworked.
And just getting head shake, and like in the middle of head shake, looks at his watch. You know, he's been at a.
Speaks for itself. We just been running sand. I did like 200 loads in the loader, just moving sand, and the sand helps to take
back
a lot.
On your bleeding orange.
Yes, it's good to be back. I love this bike. The EMT.
Thank you.
What kind of shampoo you use?
I don't know, but my mom gets it.
So Ryder Ellis taking that Stasic Hole Shot Award. All right, congratulations, buddy. Vidal Sassoon?
No, I don't know.
All right, sell some blue. It's all right. So,
Second, and then just battled with 210 over there for the win.
All right, well, you got some people you want to thank besides the...
Yeah, my mom, Jesus for keeping me safe, Mika Metals, Altus Motorsports, Clausen Motorsports, Jesus for keeping me safe, Mika Metals, Altus Motorsports, Clausen Motorsports, Vivid Designs. Jesus for keeping me safe, Mika Metals, Altus Motorsports, Clausen Motorsports, Vivid Designs, Jesus for keeping me safe, Mika Metals, Altus Motorsports, Clausen Motorsports, Vivid Designs, and then just battled with 210 over there for the win.
All right, well, you got some people you want to thank besides the...
And then just battled with 210 over there for the win.
All right, well, you got some people you want to thank besides the...
Please head over to the registration. We need to speak to Lane Taylor's representative. Thank you.
Of Dante Caruso, the 7 bike, the 47 of Colt Farley, 8.
Launch on that Husqvarna, and then right back up. Able to stretch out that uphill triple from the... There you go, Chance stretching it out up and over number 9, followed by DeFrancisco. Yeah, Chance jumping over that Homesteader, rolling it, and then still able to triple into that.
Hey, Vancers, I just thought of this. What are our lap times, fastest lap time? So with a 137.
Yep.
What were... All right. Vancers, back to you, buddy.
Dunlop, Rhino Power, Rhinomax, Pocatello Power Sports, Western Power Sports, and everyone else. Thank you.
Righto, dude. Congratulations. Sure, I'll see you again. I'm going to try to come up with some funner questions to ask you next time. All right. Vancer's back to you, buddy.
Double butted 2014 T6 alloy. Whoa, near miss. Wow. That little bit of skill there of, yeah, it looks like we got a few piled up under the Stasic hole shot line, but oh, Drew getting a little huck-a-buck, trying to triple in. Collects it. All right, race 45 on track. That's the Mini 9 to 15 Division 2. It looks like leader coming down number 8. Laps on the shorter modified track. So running order right now, Dylan Blecka 12.7 seconds. And we
Going to the inside this time. Look at that Law Tigers. How cool a shot is that? I want to thank, again, all our sponsors that are here. Whoa! Number 3 going down. That's your leader.
Beckham Smith down. I think it's 11.
Fifth.
Left to go. Austin Black, our leader from wire to wire. Looks like putting the
So come check it out. Meanwhile, they're doing demos from 10 to 4 today.
Yeah, Mark Venus for tonight's race at 6 o'clock. You sign up for the Stasic race at the registration tower. All right, final approach here for 105. Ulster Snyder, second. Cash Nitzel, third. Jacob Garcia, fourth. Mason Green, fifth. Crosby leading up to number 3. He dropped, white flag out already. These 2 lap. Oh, our leader getting a little wide, coming up to the finish.
Oh, the leader's struggling. You only got 2 laps, dude. Make it happen.
Start getting ready. I got a drone shot of a couple down riders. That looks like the on deck. First call for 51, 5 to 8.
You're in, right?
Yeah.
You're in it to win it now.
Yeah.
All right, you got some people we want to thank?
Yeah. The Lord up above.
You're in, right?
Yeah.
You're in it to win it now.
Yeah.
All right, you got some people we want to thank?
Yeah. The Lord up above.
1cc 5 to 8, LCQ, top 8.
Rider D. Francisco to the inside. Finally showing what he's got here, but look at hot on the tail, that 832. Rider D. Francisco to the inside. Finally showing what he's got here, but look at hot on the tail, that 832. Getting that Stasic hole shot. It's Ryder DeFrancisco to the inside. Finally showing what he's got here, but look at getting that Stasic hole shot. It's Ryder DeFrancisco to the inside. Finally showing what he's got here, but look at.
Someone stalled out in the gate, it looks like.
Look at, it's going to be a Kawasaki. Getting that Stasic hole shot. It's Ryder DeFrancisco to the.
Stalled out in the gate, it looks like.
Look at, it's going to be a Kawasaki. Getting that Stasic hole shot. It's Ryder DeFrancisco to the.
C5 to 8 LCQ, top 8. 1cc 5 to 8 LCQ, top 8.
You're in, right?
Yeah.
You're in it to win it now.
Yeah.
All right, you got some people you want to thank?
Yeah. The Lord up above.
You're in, right?
Yeah.
You're in it to win it now.
Yeah.
All right, you got some people you want to thank?
Yeah. The Lord up above.
So we'll see where he can wind up here.
Francisco starting to pull out.
Juju Balmair, man. All right. We just had a. Pretty darn fast on 65s.
Yeah, sounds like Dunham found some lines. Oh, right there. He
Oh.
almost sawed off
12
that.
class. Somebody's going to win a free set of active gear as well. How cool is that? Active.
Towards the front.
Class. Somebody's going to win a free set of active gear as well. How cool is that? Active, stepping it up. They were our sponsor yesterday. They're hanging out with us all weekend. They're being active. ODI is our sponsor today.
Let's go right. Gage Dunham now. Going to the inside. Oh, and Ellis just spins out. Disposed of. Look for the big blue truck that stinks. It's the one out in the pits making the rounds. Flag him down if you need some waste.
Get out of here, Mr. Geek. Good job, buddy. Back to you up at the announcer's Tower of Power.
All right, we got the final moto of the day out on the track. Specials going on. Buy some, get some free, or buy some, get some poster. All right, Jane Smart stuck in those ruts. High-sided on a rut. Can't get senior 2, 13 to 15. And race 10 will be our last race of the night, 250C limited. But right now it is Mr. Castaneda with the checkered flag with Open Sea Moto 2 win.
All right. Yeah.
And that's it, man. AZ Open too, because this place is awesome. This is like the funnest place I can ever be right now.
Let's go right. Gage Dunham now. Going to the inside. Oh, and Ellis just spins out. He